April 11th. A split pattern is driving today's impacts, with an active frontal zone from the southern plains into the Midwest and a broad ridge holding across the southeast and Florida, setting up convection, wind shifts, and turbulence along the boundary, while much of the southeast remains VFR, with localized sea breeze effects. Starting west, a weak trough brushing the Pacific Northwest into the northern Rockies is producing scattered light precipitation and mountain obscuration from Seattle through Spokane and into western Montana, with embedded MVFR and localized IFR in terrain, along with light to moderate chop in the mid-levels as flow strengthens aloft. California remains largely under subsidence with widespread VFR, though coastal terminals from San Francisco to Los Angeles may see patchy morning stratus and brief MVFR ceilings before clearing, with minimal operational disruption beyond typical marine layer timing. Into the Rockies, increasing westerly flow is generating mountain wave turbulence from Utah through Colorado, with Denver and Salt Lake seeing mostly VFR, but notable mechanical and wave-induced chop on descent and departure corridors, especially west of the Divide. Transitioning into the plains, a developing surface low and attendant frontal boundary stretching from North Texas through Kansas into Iowa is the primary concern, with scattered to organized convection expected near and ahead of the boundary. Dallas-Fort Worth, Wichita, and Kansas City sit near the convective corridor where brief IFR, gusty outflows, and reroutes are likely, while behind the front, gusty northwest winds and improving ceilings move in quickly. Across the Midwest into the Great Lakes, Chicago and Indianapolis are dealing with a mix of MVFR ceilings and passing showers along the frontal zone, with embedded thunder possible south of the main low track and a band of stronger winds just off the deck, creating low-level wind shear concerns during the morning hours. East into the Ohio Valley, and northeast, a weakening but still active boundary supports widespread cloud cover and periods of light rain from Cleveland through Pittsburgh into New York and New England, with persistent MVFR and pockets of IFR, especially in upslope regions and during heavier showers. Ceilings gradually lift but remain operationally restrictive for much of the day. Finally, across the southeast, high pressure dominates from Atlanta through the Carolinas into Florida, maintaining VFR with light winds, though inland heating will trigger isolated afternoon convection, especially across central and south Florida, where sea breeze collisions could produce brief heavy rain, lightning, and localized visibility drops near Orlando, Tampa, and Miami. That's the National Aviation weather picture for today. If this briefing helps your flight planning, consider subscribing for the daily operational outlook. Have the best flight, and we'll see you tomorrow.